Happy Friday, everyone. Sorry about the vent making all that noise, but I am cooking today. I've got some bell peppers and onions here sauteing. Different colors of the bell peppers, the red, the yellow, and the green, and some onions. These I bought from frozen section. I do have some other stuff I'm about to chop up here. And I've got the sauteed beef going on here. You've seen me cook this before. And then I have some New York strip steak in the oven. If I can get a picture of that for you. I've got it broiling. There it is. Alright, and I'm going to get ready to make my rice now, so I'll be right back. I'm back, and so if you notice, I've got my water boiling for the rice. If you notice, I have some bay leaves here in my ground beef. It gives it a really good flavor. The seasoning I used, I did a little bit of the Grill Mates, grilling spice, and this was steak. And I added some of this sesame oil. And of course, I put my apple cider vinegar in there. And a small amount of complete seasoning and the McCormick thyme. I also added some more Bon Appetit herbs in there and just letting it cook down until it starts to sizzle. I'm also going to make some noodles. Not sure which type yet. Probably the let me see what I've got in here. I've got the Rosoni. Oh boy, kind of opened the bag and stuff's falling out. It's going to be these noodles right here. My daughter loves those noodles, and you know they're coming to pick up dinner. So that's what's going on. I'll be right back, guys. Bell peppers are done, of course. Sauteed stuff. Boiling water is happening. This is going on here. So now I've got the beef, it's sizzling. I've added my fresh scallion and fresh onions. I went ahead and I added some of these fire roasted diced tomatoes in there. A little color. Didn't want to put too much because it's coming from a can, so I don't want it to be too salty. Just to give it a little color. It's getting really hot in here, isn't it? Okay guys, steaks are done, but I'm not finished with it yet. I'm going to transform it into this seasoning here and have it saute a little bit more, pick up some more flavors of the bell peppers, okay? Be right back. So guys, I've transformed, or I transported my steak into this frying pan with just a little bit of sesame oil, and I've got some bay leaves in there, trying to get it that bay leaf flavor. A little bit of onions. It's like it's searing it now. I have some other fresh onions and scallions that I sauteed that I'm going to put the steak on top of. And then you've got these over here. Go with it. Alright. Get that pan seared look to it. And turn it over a little bit. Oh, that looks like it just came out of the grill. Alright. Okay, it just came off the grill. This is ready to be transported back to that other plate. I'll be right back. Noodles are completely done. I've got the rice, the basmati rice, and I've got the brown rice ready. I've got my plantains here and ground beef, which we're gonna make some motoni or whatever that noodle is called. That here, and I've got a little bit of this, and I'll put it with roast peppers. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the juice that was from having the steaks in the oven, I poured it into this pan, and I'm going to let it continue to boil down. Add a little bit more of the chicken with soy sauce, get a little taste, and just going to let it get into a really thin gravy from the meat. I'm going to put a little bit more of my vinegar wine in there. I got a lot of mess over there that I'll clean up. So, I'm going to put a little bit, give it a little sour taste. And we'll have that thin gravy for it. And we've got the onions and the scallions that was at the bottom of this pan, the steak. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this cooking, and stay tuned. I'm going to do the spaghetti stuff next.